my God. Well, okay guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great and having a fantastic week thus far. Okay guys, so we're going to react to PUTRI ARIANI Love. Now, I've seen a lot of tracks being uploaded by PUTRI. I'm not really sure if she's the one who's running this channel, but I'm pretty sure that all these songs that I've been seeing on this platform, they're all being performed by PUTRI, and I think I only got 2 out of that lot that I've seen. So guys, look, stay tuned for more. I'll be happy to react to everything that is on that page. So guys, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Without further ado, let's dive in. Wow, she's now with a different style. Well, I guess she's spelling out the love and what each letter is represent, and I'm eager to know what each letter represents, because love is a very powerful thing when we found love, and PUTRI is killing it again, bro. With something different this time. Oh shit. Yo, let's continue.
Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Is for the way you look. Oh, is for the only one I see.
Oh my God. Buka, buka, buka. And you guys are telling me that she's not built for this? You guys must be kidding.
Thank you.
Oh, whatever. Oh, what? Look. Before I go in making my commentary, right? Love was made for me and you. Look, I'll give you my heart, but please don't break it. That's all we ask for, bro. And to hear this from PUTRI, it's so touching and wow. The only thing that I have as problem with this song, it should have been longer, bro. It's too short. But everything that I've heard thus far is freaking remarkable. Right? This is very well done, very well put together, and PUTRI, you've outdone yourself again, and I should applaud you for this. You've outdone yourself again, and I love this so much. Look, guys, I have a lot more songs to react to on this particular page that I'm at now. So if you guys want more of this similar reaction, you guys know what to do. Or let me remind you, subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on to know when I'll be releasing a next reaction on this particular page for PUTRI. I'll be happy to give you guys another, and I will. So stay tuned, guys. Hit the like button, share it to a friend who would like to know about this Jamaican reactor and what he's been up to. So if you guys did enjoy this reaction, please stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next time.